Welcome to the Fuller Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording, and it is 6:18 p.m. That is Central Time. No, it isn't. It is London time. I apologize. And I will be flying home to Dallas tomorrow, so I'll be back on Central Time. But when we look at what's going on today, it's October 15th and middle of the month. We're well into the fourth quarter, and gold is still pushing higher, up another $47 in here today, which is only 1%. And this is obviously a very big breakout. It is now almost equal to the magnitude of the advance between the breakout in January and the peak in April. So if it's going to consolidate, this is about where it should happen, but there's no guarantee that that might be the case. And we now have a condition where gold is outperforming several other asset classes, and most particularly some of those AI stocks. So there's a lot of uh, speculation going on right now. There's also a fear of missing out, that the price has gone up sufficiently, that people feel like it's gone up so much that they couldn't possibly buy. And at the same time, they're under great pressure to outperform other asset classes, and gold is certainly the place to be. Now, of course, that also begs the question, what is going on that gold is so strong relative to everything else? That's certainly a big topic, and perhaps the performance of other asset classes today gives us a clue. So, for example, we've had Wall Street, which is at close or in the middle of the trading session right now, but it's in mildly negative territory, certainly nothing in the way of a downward dynamic. Then we have bonds, where they're higher and yields compressed somewhat, but not in an especially dynamic manner. Then in the futures market, at least, the Hong Kong market is in positive territory. And then I think we have a lot of variability in some of the metals. Now, it would be, I think, trite to simply say that we're in a new commodity bull market, because it's certainly not true of every commodity. That was a question that came into conversation earlier on today about whether it would be better to have an ETF to gain exposure, or would it be better to go for individual shares? Well, considering the fact that you have the very strong performance of gold miners, then there's a large degree of commonality there. And when you buy a gold mining ETF, well, you kind of know what you're getting. So gold miners continue to do exceptionally well, and this trend is still going up in a very